All right, guys, what's up, my G's? This is retro therapy for a thug. Checking in with y'all. So, what do we have in the bag? What type of toy trapping have we been doing lately? Well, I stumbled across these two at Target, but I didn't stumble, right? I looked it up online. They were showing them online. Because I can't remember whose video I was watching. I was watching somebody's video. I don't think it was Pixel Dan. But anyways, I ran across a scene in somebody's video, and I'm like, what? They're out? I ain't even know. Like, really haven't been checking since the move and everything. Like I told y'all, my wife got me the neck of turtles thing. Shout out to her. But I really ain't been trapping lately. Just been trying to get the room organized and get the house organized. You know, it's nothing like a feeling of owning your own house. So, that being said, haven't been out there really trapping like I normally do. But I ran across it in the video, and I was like, oh, okay. So then I went and looked online, and I seen that there was a few, you know how Target is, how it'll say one or it say two, and you get there and there's none, but it said check your local Targets. They had a few of them around in the Houston area that had, most of them were out of stock. They said out of stock, period. But then there was a couple that had two, and then one I think said three. So I went to the one that was a few miles away, go and check it out. And the guy tells me, oh no, we don't have it, this and that. So I saw him, like, nah, man, it's showing on your site that you guys have it. And he said, you know what, let me go check in the back. So this is why you don't see the video with me like I normally do, riding up on the Targets, you know, showing it on the shelf and, you know, snatching him up. Because the guy had to go out back. He had to go in the back. And he came back and he was like, oh, here's one right here. And he's kind of being a little jerk. And this is the Target I normally go to, a few of them. One of my little trap spots. But this guy, I haven't seen him there out of all the times I've been trapping there. But anyways, he brings out one. And I said, well, how many is back there? And he said, oh, we got 3. So I said, okay, well, shoot, can I get another one? He's like, oh, I don't know if I can. I said, man, I'm spending the money. What you mean you don't know if you can do that? Or, man, look, bring it out or let me talk to the manager. So he goes back, brings it out, make a long story short. I paid $29.99 each for them. And so we have them. And without any delays, let's bust them open. Let's break these bricks down. Let's get it. Look at that bad boy right there. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see the Stridor? Didn't know you was out, Stridor. Maybe I need to get it back on my trapping, because I'm slacking in my trapping. And we just can't let that happen. Did I do a little rapping? You did. But check him out, though. That steel horse. See, back in the days, we was cowboys and Indians riding on horses. Now we got the steel horse, and man, it's weird, huh? Because he's back in the days, ancient times, and they still got some technology all mixed in with the barbaric type of ways. Kind of civilized and barbaric at the same time, and techno savvy. So it says 1/2 horse, 1/2 war machine. Stridor carries the heroes of Eternia to victory. Kind of sounds like the Silverhawks, huh? Partly metal. What is it? Partly man or partly steel or something like that. I can't remember how it goes. How did I forget that? Look, we got Terraclaw, Skeletor on the way, Flying Fist He-Man, which I done seen that. Shout out to, gosh dang, who was it? Pixel Dan. Yeah! Shout out to Pixel Dan. I seen that on his. Look, we got Zor. And I got Zor somewhere around here. The old school Zor. Wait, hold on. Where you at, Zor? Where you at, Zor? Ancient Zor. I found this at like a little comic shop. Still does the flapping, huh? Yeah, y'all. But check it out, though. Goes right with the Castle Grayskull. Fits right in. So we ain't got nothing to worry about with that. We just pieced that Castle Grayskull together. That's kind of dope how they doing that nowadays, though. With all the parts you can match up with Castle Grayskull. I wonder if we can do that with that WWE ring that we got with the Masters of the Universe WWE. Because it's green like that with that brown board, and maybe it connects on there too. You can do a little fun with that, y'all. But yeah, look at He-Man. He's ready. So yeah, y'all, found these two. And I couldn't be more happier with this. This is dope, man. Now I'm waiting on, what is it, Night Stalker, the dark one, the evil one. I'm still waiting on my son, man. Come on with y'all Mattel creations. What y'all doing, man? My wife done ordered them for me on my birthday in September. Got them for me. And we still ain't seen it. But here goes some, man. Right here. We waiting on you, bro. Where you at? He-Man done called on you. Called on the forces. We need you, bro. So as y'all know, don't be fooled. Masters of the Universe is not going nowhere. This origin stuff, I hear a lot of people talking about it. That stuff is not going nowhere, y'all. We still got Snake Mountain. These people in the trap and they ain't getting money. Y'all hear me? They flipping bricks. They about their money. Just like we all about our money and like the toy trap and all that and car trap and however you want to get your money and spend your money, they into that. Yeah, they into the supply and demand. Wholesale, sell at retail. So it ain't going nowhere, y'all. So just hold tight. Buckle up your seatbelts. It's a little ride, but it's going to come through. And on that note, we building up. I got some stuff I got to be opening up. Oh, those wonderful toys. Oh, so we do have. Oh, I can't reveal that yet. That's my wife's stuff. She wants to do those. But yeah, we got some stuff we got to be opening, y'all. And there's that ring right there, along with the other ring up there. And a whole bunch of goodies down there that we have yet to open up, y'all, and review. Just laying everywhere. But on that note, hope y'all go snatch up your Stridor. And there's the old Scott Stridor with Mr. T on there. But on that note, y'all, I am Audi 5000 G. Peace. Tuber, this is your boy. Retro Therapy for Thugg. Signing out.